everyone, welcome back to the channel. I hope you all guys are doing very well. In today's review, we are diving into Colleen Hoover's compelling romance novel, Ugly Love. Known for her ability to craft intense emotional experiences, Hoover does not disappoint with this gripping story that explores the complexities of love, pain, and healing. Let's break down what makes Ugly Love a must-read for fans of contemporary romance. Let's talk about characters. There are two main characters. It's Tate Collins and Miles Archer. Tate is a strong, independent woman who finds herself drawn to Miles despite his reluctance. Her determination to understand and support him, even when it's emotionally challenging, adds depth to her character. And Miles is a complex figure whose emotional walls are built from past trauma. Hoover portrayed his internal conflict and vulnerability with sensitivity and nuance, making him relatable and tragic figure. Okay, so now I'm going to overview a plot about this book. Ugly Love follows the tumultuous relationship between Tate Collins and Miles Archer. When Tate moves to San Francisco to pursue her career, she meets Miles, a brooding and enigmatic pilot with a painful past. Despite their undeniable chemistry, Miles is clear from the start that he's not ready for a committed relationship due to the scars left by his previous experiences. The story alternates between their present-day struggles and flashbacks that reveal Miles' heart-wrenching backstory. Let's talk about the theme of this book. The theme was love and pain, forgiveness and healing. At the core of Ugly Love is the exploration of how love can be both beautiful and painful. The novel examines the sacrifices people make in the name of love and the impact of unresolved trauma on relationship. Okay, let's talk about the themes of this book. The themes are love and pain, forgiveness and healing. At the core of Ugly Love is the exploration of how love can be both beautiful and painful. The novel examines the sacrifices people make in the name of love and the impact of unresolved trauma on relationship. Hoover delves into the idea of forgiveness, both of oneself and others. The journey towards healing is central of the character's development and the resolution of the story. About writing style of Hoover, Colleen Hoover's writing is emotional and raw. Her ability to capture the intensity of the character's feelings allows reader to fully immerse themselves in the narrative. The alternating timelines provide a deep understanding of the character's motivation and the reasons behind their choices. There are few strengths and few weaknesses of this book as well. Let's talk about strength first. There are three main strength points of this book. It's emotional depth, character development, and the plot twist. Hoover's skillful storytelling brings out the raw emotions of the characters, making their struggles and triumph feel incredibly real. And the growth of Tate and Miles throughout the novel is both believable and compelling. Their personal journeys are intertwined with their relationships, adding layers to the story. And the revelation about Miles' past are well executed and impactful, keeping readers engaged and invested in the outcome. And the weaknesses of this book are predictability and the pacing. Some readers might find certain aspects of the plot predictable, especially if they are familiar with common tropes in romance novel. The novel's emotional intensity can sometimes lead to a slower pace, which may not appeal to readers looking for a fast-paced romance. So yeah, Ugly Love by Colleen Hoover is a powerful and heart-wrenching tale of love and redemption. With its well-developed characters, emotional depth, and compelling narrative, it offers a poignant exploration of the complexities of relationships and personal healing. While it may have moments of predictability, its strengths far outweigh its weaknesses, making it a recommended read for fans of contemporary romance. If you are looking for a novel that will tug at your heartstring and challenge your perception of love, Ugly Love is definitely worth picking up. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more book reviews and literary discussion. Thank you for watching. Bye bye. See you in the next video.